where you want to be very careful. Unless you do this on land. You don't want to drop a wingnut in the water. There's some fish down there. So we got the tiller tamer. Hope I mounted this thing right. So one would go, basically you mount them right here. So I just tied up our tiller tamer until I get a couple of cleats. I just tied it to the main sheet track in the back here. That should work for the most part. Still a little loose, but it'll get the job done. When you need to let go of your tiller, you simply just tighten this knob here and the tiller will stay. And you already take back control, you just loosen that so you can set her in position and lock it.
Oh, come on, do it!
Yeah, that's a big one too. Dania Beach Boulevard Bridge. This is SV Luna, southbound. Requesting your next opening.
Junior Briggs, roger that. Next opening, 8 o'clock. I'm gonna open it. The reach for you at that time.
So the tide is currently heading out, which means it's flowing north. There's one more boat ahead of us going northbound, so we let them through first on the following current, and then we can go through. Dania Beach Bridge, SV Luna is clear. Thank you very much. How do you feel that we just stopped all that traffic to let us through, There goes the world famous La Tub. One day.
Yeah, one day.
I think that's another one of the Sea Shepherd boats right there. I think they're giving them a refit, yeah.
Oh, you can't see. You can't see it, but right there it says peace, love, happiness. This is North Lake in Hollywood, and it's an unofficial anchorage for sailboats. There's a ton of them here at all times. We got a few minutes before the bridge, right? What time? 9 o'clock. It's 8:40. So the boat ramp's over there.
Roger, Captain.
So the boat ramp over there, that's where a lot of the people that have their boats anchored out here, they'll dinghy up or kayak in from over there. There's a marina over there too, and a big parking lot.
The one night that we show up here, all the ramps are open. There's no traffic here. Normally, we're fighting a bunch of people at the ramp just trying to get a spot, and everyone's rude and nasty here, which is why we used a different marina around the corner from here. So we were gonna head down to Biscayne Bay, but we stopped so I could tie the rope tighter on the tiller tamer, and we dropped anchor, and we ended up here. I got some chips. I got my Dos Equis. Life is good. What do you think, babe?
I think I see a lot of stars. I think we saw a satellite. It wasn't a meteor or like anything like that, because it would have had a tail, right? Well, whatever we saw, and it was going really fast, and it looked like it was one of the stars, and then it just kept going. So it could have been like a spy plane, you know, spying on us, or the International Space Station, maybe.
Very possible.
We were gonna go sailing. You know, it was the first time we finally took her out with the mast up, and we brought the sails. They're in there. Then we dropped anchor, and we're like, yeah, no, this is too nice of a night, and it would have taken us way too long to get to Biscayne Bay. So we stayed, enjoying the night. And we opened bridges for the first time. Dania Beach Bridge and Sheridan Street Bridge.
We got our lights all lit up. We have our red light back there.
I forgot. I used the porta potty for the first time just a little while ago.
Better than pissing in the wind.
Yeah. It wasn't that bad. You just gotta take your pants off before you like scoot in to sit down. Because it's a little uncomfortable. But, you know, it's fine.
Easy, right?
Easy peasy.
We'll see if you sing the same tune when it comes time to clean it.
I'm cleaning it.
Oh yeah. You use it, you clean it.
You're cleaning it. If you click on the right side of the screen, up there somewhere, it'll link right to how to use the porta potty. It's actually pretty easy. Not like how to sit on it and pee, but how to clean it and put chemical in it. And set it up, and what kind of toilet paper you should use. It's a really good video. Coming.
So we didn't get to go sailing. It is too late, but we ended up making a couple of new friends with their 42-foot sailboat that they're living on in Hollywood. So if you guys are watching this, it's nice meeting y'all. Now we are on our way back to the ramp. We were going to just use the ramp right there in Hollywood and take an Uber and grab the truck and the trailer, but once we got there, the whole parking lot was completely shut down. And this is like a place that's like known, I think, to be like 24 hours, but for whatever reason, it's all closed up now. So, but it's all right. We're almost all the way back to where we launched at. We're just cruising by Port Everglades out of Fort Lauderdale right now. The place is lit up like a Christmas tree.
Right there.
There's ships in port. You can see there's people working the cranes right now. Saturday night. Look at this. We're only running the motor like maybe like an eighth of the throttle. 4.8, almost 5 knots. Yeah, it's about an hour and a half, 2 hours until high tide. So the current is whipping in here right now. This will make loading the boat up on the trailer easier.
That is Mars. Can you see that? No, you can't. Saturn's over there. Pretty cool.
If you haven't done so already, please give us a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow. And drop a comment down below. Tell us what you think. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it. See you on our next adventure.